Hello viewers, welcome back to Virtualonics. So we are back again with another interesting project. Let's see the project.
This is the product kit of IoT based smart health monitoring system. So most of our health conditions we generally consider temperature and heartbeat for our health conditions. That's why here we consider the LM35 sensor to detect the temperature of our body, and also we take an pulse sensor to detect the heartbeat of our body. And here is the Arduino Uno microcontroller which helps to control all the sensor data, and here we can see the LCD display which displays the sensor data. All this data sent to server using the Wi-Fi module. Whenever the conditions are critical, it gives the alert using bug. First we need to connect the 12 volts DC power supply to the circuit. So, and this is IoT based product, right? So that's why we need to provide the internet to the circuits. That's why I am turning on the hotspot. So the details are whatever the details mentioned in the code, we need to keep here. And so whenever the Wi-Fi is connected, it automatically shows that the sensor readings. Here we can see the temperature data and the heartbeat data. Whenever the temperature or else heartbeat reaches its limit or else crosses its limits, it automatically upload the data to the server using the buzzer alert. So for example, heartbeat, whenever it crosses the 75, it automatically uploads the data to the server. So now I am saying so abnormal heart rate, and here we see the uploading. So that means the data, all the sensor data are uploading to the server, and here we use the server is IoT So now let's go to the server and let's see the data. So here we can see the previous data. So heartbeat, temperature with particular date and time.